Everyone's annihilated. I'm shaking my butts. I'm moving them around, and you should be too. That was good. That was good. He's still rocking out. He's still. Okay,
I'm good.
Oh God, he's back.
I'm good.
And he's blowing out both of our ears. Good. Good. Okay, Lumi, why am I pressing the button? What am I?
Life.
That was
Alright.
good.
I'm pressing a button and I'm gonna regret this. Okay, let's see what this is.
What,
Alright,
what,
here
what
we go.
button are you pressing? What button are you pressing? Don't do that.
Dear.
Red Wings goal horn.
Don't press the button. Don't press the button.
I did. Oh my god.
Oh.
Guys,
Oh.
I'm sweaty. I danced too hard.
I just pooed a little. I just pooed a little. Oh, Lumi.
You pooted?
I pooted.
He did so hard he farted.
No, it's the goal horn that I just hit. It scared him and he
Oh.
He was like, ah. I had been wrecked.
Oh.
Goober's like, oh no. The little one. Or was that
That fucking noise.
which I broke you at PAX Prime with when you discovered I could do that. Oh, it's a good noise.
Oh, that needs to be a sound. It's just you doing the noise.
To distract us. Just to see if we can defuse a bomb. I'll record it. Alright, we got some sounds.
Oh my god. Oh, well done. Well done, everyone. That was good. That was good.